My people, Yahoo matter don't come all the way from Ghana. This one as Yahoo boy. We be from Nigeria, but the whole matter it happened in the city of Accra, Ghana. My people, it dey very, very hot. And according to gist wey reach my side, they thought say the chairman, the chamo, you understand, normal level we get boys. So now this one are one of the boys. We enter Chamo office, go dey chat client. The chairman client or go there, they chat and chat. So money we suppose enter chairman account. This boy go divert am, enter another account, and we dey talk about $200. If una see beating with this boy collect, hey! It be like person wey, in fact, any asha they say thief na thief. This guy collect beating because for una we never see, una we never hear. I don't bring a come on side today, so join me make we watch the video.
Hi, Spirit Chair. Chair, good morning, Chair. Chair, I divert work.
Can't you divert work for your office?
Chair, I divert work for your office.
How much you divert?
$200, Chair.
Now let that one demand. Now let one sleep beside.
Chair, now only one sleep.
You dey crazy?
Now only one sleep, Chair. Chair, now many times, Chair, but now only one.
Now many waiting. Many sleep. How much you want to send the name? How do you amount?
Chair, now only once. If you observe and you see, now one sleep. I swear, Chair.
Is it allowed to divert when you Ghana?
Hey! Omo, now see this boy. If Charlie, be like say this guy now they go soon carry and go hospital because as I dey say like this, about to enter coma. The boy safe even look hungry. I beg I don't understand Yahoo people. Hey Chineke. The guy even they look hungry. No, how you no go divert money? How you no go divert money? See person, he face self, he look like I'm not even understand. He look like a person where he go soon pass out. Chamo, come beat am. You know they help am now. Why he divert the money? You know they help am. So no see face. At least if I told you say they do Yahoo, you they collect. At least even if they don't beat you, my brother, you are too skinny for this work that you are doing. These people they suffer. Don't be say they tell me, and they tell a serious thing. All these people, if you not see how they deal with them, only the name of I'm your chairman, I'm your this, I'm your that. Waiting I don't see. From what did they call up? Come to my now so they do from Nigeria. They go call them, may they enter Ghana. My people, they feel even tell they say, come on, let's work this thing together. Now work together. By the time they enter Ghana, my people, they don't come boy. No be something where they tell me. And they tell na real matter where they happen. People go just leave normal work when I feel they do. Can't go turn slaves for people. If you not see how they floor. This one, thank God say you not even see them. If you not see how they beat them, just do one thing. They go lie you down by the time they lash you. At this age. No, make una see the kind of life una choose for yourself. For this age, man on your own. Now in fellow man, they tell a man like that. Why? You dey secondary school? You dey secondary school, wait for this your age. I know that some what be the difference with the una and house boys? What be the difference? No, make una tell me. Now if person go come call you now say there's house boy position available, now go say whether person they mad, how you go do house boy work. Wait till which work una they do now? No be house boy, wait till be the difference. No, make person answer me now. Because of money. When you for just jejely look for normal work, rent your house, they go work, they come back, save money. No, you don't like that one. You want make person they beat you. See how you look like a refugee. Like person, I know just hi Chineke, oh, chairman too na another moon. Because of $200. How much be $200 say for Naira? If I know the mistake, maybe 70 or 80,000. Now you beat person like this to stupor. You beat am. You wait thief from other people. You thief. Now person thief from you, they pay you. You won't kill am. Meaning say all the money where you don't dey thief from white people, they suppose don't bury you alive by now. If you they do this kind, no, I not understand why una life just be like this. Una go dey talk now, not be thief, they thief. No, they pay you now when person for una to see our life. We go do the time when they do us problem. In fact, the whole world must hear now. How much you don't thief from people, chamo? How much? If I know these people they collect, you go hear $5,000, $12,000. Some of them say by the time they convert them to naira, my people now go they shock. We they talk about millions. And still, upon all the millions so they collect their head to know they correct, they get sense. Chairman said, because this chairman, you don't even get level. This chairman even need a chairman on top himself because I know they see, because you are broke. For you to do this thing, you are broke. Make una check this guy face, as soon as if you don't know watch and well, take the video, go back. Go watch this boy face very well. They go throw and come out. Tomorrow now, una go see am for circle under bridge. Go they say earpiece, phone case, charger. Una go soon see am. No, mark that face because as it happen like una no say me every time if I dey tell una something. Una go see am. You can't start to explain. No, I was with somebody before. Then they told me this. Then I did this. Una life. Una no just like good thing for this una life una come. Now wait till I don't notice. Slavery. We they complain say white people they turn us to slaves. They do this one. Una don't receive independence now. See, you still be slave under your black man. And now like this you go they continue. It never stop. I don't even blame this guy for diverting this money. I don't blame him. They turn out to boy finish. If the boy said no, they see food chop. See how it look like. No, seriously. Wait if now you wait till good. And these people they punish them with food though. Hey, they go tell you say for doing this 3 days you know go chop. And they know they joke. They born you well. No try am. Except if you don't ready to rent your own house, pay bills. They go tell you say now them they another one say ways they bust my head. If you chat client finish, you can't hammer, you be boy for that house. Please, your money not enter your this thing. Now them they decide how much they give you. Chineke, I work finish. Person they decide. Even God will be God. God still they take 10%. You now you want you be waiting. You want come collect the whole money where person they go come give you peanuts. So make person answer me how this guy no go divert that money. How you no go divert that money? You leave Nigeria, you don't promise your family, hey, if I reach there, I go send you this one. I go send pressure everywhere. Make una continue. Me, I no go stress myself. This one at least, thank God say they no die. But the fact here remains say una go see am for under bridge. Make una start the counter. Since una they enjoy to be slaves, ungwanu continue to be slaves. Wetin concern me, my people? Now the matter be this. I don't know wetin go make these people change for this life. I don't know. I still they find that thing. But I beg help me share this video. Maybe as I they talk, they go start they change. But I beg help me share. Very, very important. And if you never subscribe, no let me and you. No make I do you the way they. I beg just click on that thing. You understand? No go do anything. And I beg drop that comment for that comment section. Very, very important. As you know, as usual, I go reply now one by one. Stay tuned for our next story.